Hey, it's me.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. I did my nail prep already. Now I'm gonna wipe them down with some alcohol. Alright, and I will be doing some gelx today using the overlay method. I sized out my nail tips and now I will be gluing them on. I'm gonna use my nail glue from Beetles. I'm gonna apply a layer on my natural nail, making sure to leave a little bit space between nail and cuticle area basically, because I don't want to go all the way in today since I'm doing the overlay method. And then just gonna apply some nail glue in the inside of my nail tip and leave a good amount excess like so. Okay, now I will be pressing down the nail tip and I will be flash curing. I used way too much nail glue. Now I'm gonna take off the excess that's spilled. Try to clean it off before I'm gonna put my hand in the full nail lamp. All right, once this is off, I'm gonna be curing for 60 seconds in my full nail lamp. All right, moving on to the next one. Gonna be doing the same to all of the nails.
And don't be like me, please etch the inside of your nail tips. I totally forgot to do that. If you don't do that, your nail might pop off, so don't skip that step.
Alright, nail tips are on, and now I'm just gonna be trimming them down a little bit. They're a little bit too long, so I need to cut them down. Otherwise, I cannot function. I hate having to reshape gelx because I feel like they have this structure to make the nails strong, and I'm taking it basically away. If that makes sense. Okay, I think I like this better, and now I'm just gonna be doing this to the wrist. Alright, nail tips are trimmed down. Now I'm gonna go in with my hand file and reshape the nail and take the shine away. Alright, nail tips are reshaped. Now I'm gonna apply a layer of builder gel to all of the nails. I will mainly focus on the gap to close that. I do want to add builder gel to all of the nails to give them some more strength. Like I mentioned, I feel like when you reshape them, they lose the strength. Okay, and I will be curing. Alright, moving on to the next one. Alright, and I will be curing this now. Alright, all the gel is on. Now I'm gonna be reshaping the nails. Alright, nails have been shaped, filed, and buffed. Now I want to try out something before I'm going into the design, because I honestly not sure what I want to do. I might leave this background, or if it works out, I want to do like a milky white. So I'm gonna be mixing some white with some top coat. Uh-oh, that might be too much. I'm gonna cure this and apply a second coat just to see how it will look like. Right, I'm not sure if the second coat did a difference, but I'm liking it, so I'm just gonna do it to the rest of the nails. Alright, gel polish is on. I put 2 coats on, and now let's start the design. This is the nail inspo that I'm gonna be doing for today, and I'm gonna use my metallic paint. I got this off from Shein. Right now I'm gonna apply some top coat. Right now I'm gonna apply some cuticle oil. And here are the finished nails. I love how these came out. I love the length, I love the design. It took me a while, honestly, to do the design because I was working with my left hand, and as you know, I am right-handed. So doing the middle finger was really hard, but otherwise than that, I had a lot of fun doing them. I wish I had like an actual milky white gel polish because I don't like how see-through it is, and it kind of messes up the design, and it's hard to see the design too. But I'm happy with how they came out. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.